Why? Are we gonna go for a ride in the truck?
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll. Let's go. There is a neighborhood across the road from us that's being built right now, and you can see behind me we've got all of these houses that they're working on right now, and that means that they have construction dumpsters like this on a regular basis. Now if you take a look at this pallet here, that looks like it's got some oak on it. It looks like they were hauling in a lot of their grass on that. So it's not necessarily exactly what I'm looking for. I'm looking for more of a thicker pallet, more pallets in here. But again, these pallets aren't very nice. So we'll walk down here and see what these pallets look like. Next dumpster down the road. Check out what's in here. Jackson, are you going inside? They've got a bunch of just debris laying around. See some Oregon strand board in there. Looks like a bunch of pine. This is a pallet here, but that's all pine. I don't really care to dig that out of there. Just got a bunch of that in the garage. Again, that's that pine that we saw before. A whole sheet of that. I could almost just throw it in just to take it, but at some point it's not worth storing it. It has been a really cool process to see him fill in this entire neighborhood. This neighborhood's huge. It's gonna have, I think we guessed, somewhere between like 200 and 300 homes when it's all done with. And this used to be just a field, which for me, what I grew up with, I like that, but things change, and that's life. You just have to get used to it. Happened at this dumpster here, it looks like it's going to be more of the same. What should be in a dumpster? Garbage, right? Oh my goodness. There's a ton of pallets in here. Now the downside is these pallets here have this thin sort of top, but at the same time, should we dig a few out? I'm gonna be choosy. I don't see anything in here that I want. I thought for a minute there, there might be some good stuff in here, but it's just a bunch of cut up mill work, trim work. There's nothing wrong with that. On to the next dumpster. One of the questions you might be asking is like, what am I doing driving around on a Saturday morning looking through a bunch of dumpsters? I just love different materials, and I like looking and finding it for free. So for me to spend a little time in the morning out checking stuff out, that's exactly how I want to spend my Saturday morning. You know, like there's not a whole lot else that I really want to do. And oh, that's definitely a pine pallet. The real question is there a place that just has pallets laying around that wants to get rid of them? I wonder if Lowe's or any of those places have hardwood pallets they're trying to get rid of. So next up, we're gonna go down this row of houses and check them out, see if there are any pallets there. What do you think, Jackson? Yeah. We just checked both of these dumpsters, and there was nothing in them except for pine scrap. And so my next next question would be, what is being delivered on these hardwood pallets so that maybe I know in the construction flow. There's a pallet right there. It's not thick enough though. What's being delivered in the construction flow? Stay down so that I can pick it up. My guess would be something like cabinets maybe would be getting delivered on those, but I have no idea, so continue the hunt. This looks like a promising cul-de-sac. We're gonna go look here. There's 3 houses. We got 3 dumpsters. Let's see if there's anything worth finding. More dumpsters. At first glance, looking at these dumpsters, I don't see anything in there that'll probably be anything that we want. But you never know. Nope, just a bunch of OSB. It's amazing how much garbage, like residential garbage, gets thrown into here. I don't know. People just don't, I mean, in the city of Charlotte, everybody's got a garbage service. And it's included in your property tax, so I'm not sure why people would be coming to a place like this to throw their garbage away. House. Yeah, go ahead. No, ups. Yep, go ahead. Come on.
Okay.
Yeah, go up the stairs. Go ahead. What do you think of this big upstairs, Jackson? Yeah, there's some windows there. Wait, careful, that's not a window. There's a window downstairs, yep. Okay, let's walk around. But this one over here does too. This one's a big master. And then you can see it goes back into the master bath. And goes into, you got vanity here. You've got a big closet, walk-in closet here. Toilet room. Oh, let's go this way. So far, no luck. There is a ton of, it seems like wasted material that they're trying to throw away here. It's like they have a giant heap of it, which my guess is because of that here, that the dumpster was delivered like a day later. They filled up a dumpster. And so instead of using the dumpster, they just threw it all on the ground because it's on the, not necessarily the, well, the builder, I guess. It would be on the builder to deliver these dumpsters and coordinate all of that. And by that, I mean the general contractor. Again, there's nothing in there that we want. My biggest concern right now is that Jackson's standing in some mud. Oh. Hey, come on. Let's go look at the other dumpster. Well, that is sometimes how it goes. You go hunting and you don't find what you're looking for, but that's also being choosy too. So we're gonna hop back in the truck, drive back to the house. And we're gonna go to the pool next, right?
Next.
You wanna go to the pool next?
Yep.
Okay, let's go. Can you get in the truck? Well, we're back home. We didn't find anything that we wanted. So I think instead of that, we're gonna go to the pool next. What do you think? Should we go to the pool?
Yeah.
You wanna go to the pool?